Today I'm going to be reviewing this APUREE gel polish set. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing it. I'm going to open up this box, show you everything that comes inside the box when you receive it. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I have the box here in front of me. I wanted to give you a point of view of what that box looks like. Take a look. Super nice. Absolutely love this front piece. The flowers, it's just screaming spring and summer. So let's go ahead and turn it around. This is what it looks like. Now the backhand side. So let's go ahead and open it up. Wow. Take a look at that. Super, super nice. On this side right here, on the left-hand side, you actually have this insert, so you go ahead and actually put the different colors. So especially if this is for your business, or if you do nails at home, or if you have a nail salon, you could actually sample the colors on here. So it does have the 6 different slots to go ahead and do that. Let me see if I could take it out. Oh, very nice. So this is actually what was in the front of the box. Take a look. Ooh, very nice. Ooh, you get a little booklet. Absolutely love the attention to detail. Everything is very, very nice, high quality. So it kind of gives you a little bit more about the brand, table of contents. So it lets you know why these nail polishes are different, why they stand out from the rest. Absolutely love this, especially if this is your first time using this brand. Then I do love that they give you a little bit more about the company itself. This right here, so you can go ahead and sample the nail polishes. Once you're done, just simply open this up and you could display this in your business. So take a look and you know exactly what you're using, the product that you're using. Now let's take a look at what we have in here. These are the 6 different kinds of nail polishes. Let me go ahead and take one out. Just want to go ahead and give you a closer look. This is such a pristine nail polish. It just looks luxurious. It is beautiful. The details, the gold accent. So nice. So you go ahead and shake it up a bit. You could actually see the color on the front right here of the nail polish. Now on the bottom here, each one does have the label just letting you know the color. Let's go ahead and open it up. Very, very nice. I'm in love with the design on these nail polishes. And then the cardboard cutout, look at that. Just the attention to detail on everything. Give you a closer look. The cardboard is actually pretty nice. Go ahead and place it back in there. Look at that. And again, like I mentioned, you could actually see the color peeking through the front here. So I do like that. Very, very nice. Again, the color on the bottom. So Pretty in Pink is actually the style. The color is going to be on the bottom here. So Pink Power is this color that we have here. And each one is labeled individually. Pretty in Pink. This one's Heart Flutter. On the top here, the branding is everything. And I absolutely love that their branding is everywhere. This one right here. This one is Coquette Girl. This one right here. This one is Natural Flush. It's kind of like a pinky light blush color. This one right here, we have Tickled Pink. Oh, you also get a little chrome nail powder. So if you want that chrome on top of your nails, you get a chrome nail powder. So in here, you also get a little brush. So this is going to help out when you are using that chrome to put on your nails. So everything that you need here is included. And then this one right here is the magnet. So if you do want to go ahead and use it on your nails, create that cat eye, then this is also included. So if you've been on the lookout for a new nail polish kit, one that is very nice, very luxurious, high quality, then I would highly recommend you check this one out. I'll go ahead and link it down below for you so you could check it out for yourself, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.